Hello everybody, welcome back, and today in this video we'll guide you through how to use Typeform for quiz. So let's just assume that you start from your workspace and this is how your dashboard is going to be looking like. So all you need to do is simply click on this create a new form option, and then it will be asking you whether you would like to import your questions or you want to create with AI. So I'm going to be selecting create with AI since it is the most fastest and efficient way. So since we need to be generating a quiz, I'm going to be selecting this option. Let's just say we have uh, product recommendation quiz, we have personality quiz. So before we proceed, you can head over to the link in the description below to get 16% off their plans. So that is something you should be checking out and get a huge discount on Typeform. So let's just click on this personality quiz and move forward. You can see it is asking about the information. So if you want to upload CSV at any point, it is an option as well. Now you can see on the left we have this quiz ending. You can add in here the results. So then we have our review quiz endings, then quiz questions and matching rule. And once you add all these information, like for example we add in here, you can see it is giving us an example as well. So here, as you can see, we have a couple of questions added, and then I'm going to be clicking on continue. We have matching rules. So you can see we have example if they like to say in show them the introvert result. So you can add in here anything. You can click on generate quiz and it will be now generating our quiz. So hold on a moment. And here you can see our quiz is now ready, that we can share and do everything that we want. So that's how easy it is. Make sure to click on the share option and you're good to go. I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.